In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find all the reels that you have saved while browsing through Reels. So if I just tap on the Reels icon there at the bottom in the center to go to the Reels player, you can see that I have the Reels playing, and you can browse through Reels. And to save a reel, all you need to do is tap those three vertical dots at the bottom of the share button. And then there is an option there at the second one from the bottom. It says save. Tap on save and it says save. Now, where exactly do those reels go once you have saved them? So I'm going to show you where they go now. So what you want to do once you've saved a reel or a few reels, tap on your profile icon there at the bottom right hand corner. That'll take you to your profile. Then the next step is to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Might be slightly different on an iPhone, but tap the three stripes. And there you'll notice it says saved. This is where all your saved posts go on Instagram. So if I tap on that, it's going to say all posts. So this is including normal Instagram feed posts and things like that. So you can tap on all posts and then it's going to show you all the things you have saved. Now to see which ones are reels, you'll notice the reels icon on the top right hand corner of the specific reels video. So if you have a lot of videos within this list or posts, then you can easily identify which one are reels and which one are regular posts. So you can tap on a reel and then watch it from there, or you could add these reels to a collection. So how you do that is you tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner, then it says select, tap on select, and I'm just going to select the two reels right at the top. And there it says you can add it to a collection or unsave. So I'm going to add it to a collection and I'll just give this a name. So I'll write favorite reels and then tap on done and then tap on done again. Now the collection has been created, so I can tap on the back button and there you'll see it there. So you can add your reels to a collection and then all your specific reels that you want will go into that collection. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.